Welcome to example program. In this video, we will see how we can write a simple C program to shut down or restart or log off your computer. Now, in Windows operating system, in command prompt, we can use a lot of commands, and there is a command available and it is called as the shutdown. And by using this command, we can shut down or restart or log off our computer. Now, what we are going to do is, in our program, we are going to execute that command that we can execute in the command prompt. Now here, first you can open up the command prompt, and here you just need to type in shutdown, which is the name of the command. And once you write in shutdown, you guys can see a lot of options available. Shutdown is the name of the command, and then and you can pass in a lot of arguments. Now, if you don't pass in the arguments, just like the way that I have done here, then it will display the help. It will show all the options that you can use with this command. If you pass the argument /l, then it will log off your computer. If you pass in the argument /s, then it will shut down the computer. And then if you want to restart your computer, then you can use the argument /r. Now here are a lot of options available, and let's see how we can execute this command from our program. Now here I have already written some code. I have included the stdlib.h header file, and I have not included the stdio.h header file. That's because in this program, I'm not going to use any of the functions available in the stdio.h header file. For example, I'm not going to use the printf function. I'm not going to use the scanf function. Now, if you want, you can use those functions and display the messages. Now here, there is a function available in this stdlib, which stands for standard library.h header file, and that function's name is system. And by using this function, we can execute the commands that we can execute on the command prompt. Or by using this function, we can call in a program and we can pass the arguments. Now, the commands that we execute in the command prompt are actually the programs which are available in the Windows operating system. So what we can do here is we can call those programs and pass in the appropriate arguments if we need. So the name of the function that we are going to use is called as system, and to call the program shutdown, we need to provide that program's path here. That program shutdown, which you have seen in the command prompt, is stored in the drive where you have installed your operating system, which is normally the C drive. And then the path will be C Windows and then system32 and then the program name, which is shutdown. Okay, now this is the program name that you want to execute. Now here, if you just call this program shutdown, then it will display the help. It will display all those arguments that you can pass. Now I'm gonna build and run this. Now you guys can see in the command prompt, you can see all these options available with this program shutdown, just like the way we have seen it while using it with the command prompt. Okay, now if you want to shut down your computer, then you can pass in the argument /yes. If you want to restart your computer, then you can pass in the argument /r. Or if you want to log off your computer, then you can pass in the argument /l. Now you can pass in all those arguments which are available for this shutdown program, which you have seen in the command prompt. So here, I'm not gonna execute this program. That's because if I do that, then I'm gonna lose my recording. So you can execute this program in your computer just by performing build and run. And if your program is unable to shut down or restart or log off your computer, then try to run the program where you have written the code in administrator mode. If that is not going to work, then just find out the executable file of this program which is created, and then execute that executable file as an administrator, and it will perform that desired operation. So this is how you guys can shut down or restart or log off your computer by using a C program. Now, if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later in the next video.